Alright, this is going to be my substitution review video. I think my audio is a little bit funky right now, but hopefully by next week I get it all figured out. Either way, this is my video. So we're going to review this week and move on to newer stuff next week. I know substitution is a really important part of algebra and going forward, so that's what I chose. What are we doing when we're finding substitution of two lines? We're finding x and y, which is the point where they cross. Remember, we've been circling up, so like if you have something like this, make sure you're getting your number into the variable it is equal to. And then once you have one variable, make sure you plug it back in if you don't already have both. So let's look at a few examples. So the basic level is, first you're just going to be substituting a number. So when x equals 5 and y equals 2x minus 3, all I'm going to do, oh my lord, is take that 5 and plug it in for x. So I know I have half of the answer already, but now I'm going to find that second half by multiplying out and subtracting the 3. So this is the basic level, where you're just substituting a number. And then I get my answer is the 0.57. The next level we saw was when we're substituting a variable. So for that, that's like if you had not y equal to 4, but maybe it's equal to 4x. And then we've got this other line, y is equal to 7x minus 21. So please be careful with your substituting. Since y is by itself and equal to 4x, I can change this y into 4x. Then I'm just solving, so I'm getting my x's on the left since my number is already on the right. Opposite of a positive 7x is a negative 7x, and I get negative 3x equals negative 21. And then I divide out and get that x equals 7. So once you're into the variable ones, you got to make sure you plug it back in. Whether you plug it into this first equation, you're going to get y equals 28. Or if you plug it into the second equation, so that would be this one, you're also going to get 49 minus a 21 and equal a 28. So regardless of how you want to go about this, you're going to get the same thing once you find that first answer, and then make sure you write it as a 0.728. Okay, I'm going to do one last example, and this is the last level where you got to substitute. Multiple terms. If you guys need to see more examples, please come find me online, and I will be happy to help you. So here, now if I don't have x equal to 5, it's not equal to 5y, it's equal to 5y minus 3. So I'm not plugging in one thing, I'm plugging in all of this. And I don't want to make it go in the wrong spot, I want to make sure I get it into y. So if you do this step, and then afterwards you still have x's and y's, something went wrong. So I'm going to have to distribute, so I'm going to put that entire x is going to change into 5y minus 3. And then I'm going to distribute. Bam, bam. Common mistake here is I'll leave that negative 3, but you're not going to do that. You're going to remember, oh no, I need to multiply in everything and make that into a 9. Now I want to combine my like terms because I've got y's on the same side. And then I'm going to balance my equation by doing the opposite of negative 9 to both sides. And moving it up here, I can divide out and get that y equals 1. And don't forget to substitute back in. So to get that x, I'm going to change that y. But what is y? We know now that y is 1. So I'm going to get 5 minus 3 and get x equals 2. Don't forget to write your point at the end. So this has been a review on substitution. If you need to see more examples, they're all over the internet, but I'm happy to show you them too. Please come find me. Once you're done with this, make sure you do the practice quiz, and reflection, and you're good to go for the week.